Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Discord. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Discord app and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page when you will click on Discord, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage and here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on or restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.